How to transfer a Signal account from old phone to new phone. So first of all, make sure that both of your old phone and your new phone have the Signal application installed. If not, open a Play Store, search for Signal application and install it. Then open up Signal application on your old phone. And make sure that you're logged in with your Signal account. Here, tap on the three dots at the top right, then tap on Settings. Here, tap on Account. Scroll down a bit and there you'll have an option as Transfer Account to a new Android device. Tap on it. Then you will be prompted to this interface where you will have instructions on how you can transfer account. So for that, you have to download Signal on your new Android device. So make sure that both of your devices have Signal application installed. Then again tap on Transfer or Restore and then select Transfer from Android device. When prompted, then tap on Continue. Now after that, make sure that both of your old device and your new device are nearby. Now you have to scan your old device with your new device. And once the scan is complete, all your account information will transfer from your old device to new device, and then you can simply log in using your phone number and the PIN in your new device. And that's how you can transfer Signal from old phone to new phone. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.